In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Favicon to your blogspot site. Make sure you watch this video to the end so you get the steps and you won't miss it. It's very important. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create Favicon and how to upload it on your blogspot site. So follow me, make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't skip this video as I show you how to upload and create Favicon for your blogspot site on Canva. So in case you're new to my channel or you are coming across this channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, like this video and share this video. Drop your comments down below as we proceed in this tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to canva.com. So you head over to canva.com and you log in. After you've logged in, you click on logo. So you search for logo, and so many things can be done on Canva like I've done in other videos on my channel here. I've created a very attractive thumbnail. If you want to learn that, just check the link above or check my channel so you get to know how to create Canva thumbnail that converts for your YouTube channel. So your video, the amount of people that click on your video depends on how attractive your YouTube thumbnail is. So click on create blank logo because we want to create this for our blogspot site. You can also do this to your website as well. It makes your website unique. So immediately you are log on to canva.com, you click on create logo, you search for logo, then you click on click blank logo. So you try to set up the interface, which I'm doing here. Then you click on text. So you add a new headline. This can be so many things, like what your website is based on. So assuming your website is based on tech and your website is start with VIM, so you can just use that. You can use only V, you can use anything of your choice. So follow me, don't skip this video so you won't miss the steps. So once you've gotten to this place or stage, just write what you want to use as your favicon. Remind you, don't let this take so much space or be long. This is very easy and simple. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button right now and like this video please, so others can see it as well. So what I'm about to add now is more info concerning this favicon. So what I'm going to do now is to add some texture and effects to the text I've created. So as you can see, I added this and you might just play around with it so you get what suits you. So once you are doing this, make sure your data is on so you won't be locked out of Canva. So many people are trying to create very attractive stuff on Canva. Canva is useful, so many things can be used for. So once you've done that, just write more info about what your website is. This depends on what you make on your blog. Assuming your blog is on tech, you can just say best tech blog post, something like that. Assuming your blog is on news, you can just say #1 news platform. So just be creative. You can see I wrote VIM, so information hub. So I changed the font here, which is very easy to do. Just watch the tutorial, don't skip so you won't miss it. Don't skip, it's very easy to do. So once you are done with that, you select the font you would like to use for it and you arrange your text very well. As you can see, I was trying to get the text here, which is very easy to do. So make sure you do this to your website. It gives it its uniqueness. When your website is being searched for on Google, this will appear by the side of your website name or domain. This gives some uniqueness to your website. So once you've done this, arrange it very well, arrange it properly, and add any effect you would like to add to it. So as you can see, I was designing my own here, information group. So I was trying to add some dots at the beginning So I'm trying to set everything now so it matches what I want. So just try and play around it, use this video and create your own. So just play around this, it's very easy to do. You can as well change the color, you can change the fonts, you can change the font size. Just make sure you do what suits your blog, so because you need to be unique for you to stand out there. So you need to be very unique, you need to be very unique. So it's very easy to do. And what I was trying to do here is that I was trying to see if I could make some adjustments, like the name. I wanted to save it now, so the name I want to save it with should be what I'm trying to design. So this is very necessary because you'll be able to search for your Favicon later in case you want to upload it in future. So this is good, and make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that yet. So you download your Favicon, which is very easy to do. You should download the Favicon as you've seen. So our Favicon is downloaded, then you head over to your blog, dashboard. So I'm heading over to my blog dashboard now to upload the Favicon on my blog. So this is very easy to do. Don't skip this video so you won't miss this step. So log into your blogger dashboard or your WordPress, anyone, it works alike, I think. So it just depends, it depends on some differences that needs to be done. So click on Favicon, settings, then Favicon, then you upload the Favicon. So you upload the Favicon here, you select the Favicon which you want to upload, but I won't be uploading it because I have a Favicon already uploaded on my blog. So it's very easy to do. So this is the step. Let me know any problem or challenges you are encountering or you've encountered in the comment section below, and I will try my possible best to respond to all of them. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Check out other videos in case you want to know how to create thumbnail, you want to know how to design, write with ChatGPT. I have other tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye.